Nothing is more frustrating than opening up a medical product and realizing you have no clear idea how to actually apply it. There are no visual markers, no clear peel points, and no instructions on the part itself to guide you through the process. When designing adhesive components for medical devices, it's easy to focus entirely on performance and manufacturing. But if the person applying the product doesn't understand how to use it, even the best design can fail. At Strouse, we've helped develop countless adhesive components from early concept through full-scale production, while having the end patient in top of mind. So in this video, we're going to look at some simple ways you can design your adhesive parts to be easier for your end customers to understand and apply correctly. One of the most effective ways to communicate instructions to your end customer is by printing directly onto the product itself. Printing allows you to add helpful visual cues, such as arrows showing peel direction, icons indicating where to apply pressure, or text guiding users through the application process itself. This is especially useful for medical patches or wearable devices where proper placement and order matter. Printing can be directly integrated into the converting process, meaning you can add these visual instructions without introducing additional manufacturing steps. However, printing isn't always the most cost-effective option for every project. Another simple but powerful alternative is using different features to guide the users through the application process. Sometimes the simplest visual cues can make the biggest difference for the end user. For example, we worked with a medical device company on a component like this one. During development, we recommended using a split back liner for one section of the part that allowed the user to have a very visual cue of exactly where they needed to peel the part, as well as making it easier for them to peel the part itself. This small design decision made the product significantly easier to apply while avoiding the cost of additional printing or labeling. In medical applications, there is no room for ambiguity. If the instructions or design cues on your product aren't clear, it may risk causing an emergency situation and endangering your patient. In these types of situations, it pays to have added clarity. This is especially critical in medical applications where reliability and patient safety are non-negotiable. Information accuracy still matters in non-emergency products. Imagine a medical product that relies on precise placement or adhesive contact to function properly. If the user applies it incorrectly, even slightly, the device may not perform the way it was designed to. In this situation, the product itself may work perfectly, but the user experience causes the failure. By designing clear visual cues and intuitive application steps into the product itself, you dramatically reduce the chances of incorrect use and help ensure consistent results for every user. It also helps your product scale more smoothly as production grows, because fewer application errors mean fewer complaints, returns, and customer support issues. Working with an experienced converter early in the design process can make a huge difference in having a product that works as intended. At Strouse, our engineering team works closely with customers to understand three key things: the part itself, the application requirements, and the people who will ultimately be using the product. Once we understand those factors, we can recommend design adjustments that improve both manufacturability and usability. This might include things like adding intuitive peel tabs, choosing liners that create a logical application sequence, integrating printed instructions directly into the converting process, and adjusting material layers so the part handles better during application. We manufacture parts every day. We've seen what works well in the real world and what tends to create problems for users. Designing with both manufacturing and end use in mind leads to products that are easier to produce, easier to apply, and more reliable in the field. If you're interested in learning more about how working with a converter can help improve both the manufacturability and usability of your adhesive components, feel free to visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.